5. Multiplication. Points to learn. Multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplying 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Multiplying 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Properties of multiplication. Review exercise. Multiplication is repeated addition of a number. It is shown by the sign X. The result of multiplication is called the product. For example, in 3 into 4 is equal to 21. 3 and 7 are the factors, and 21 is the product of 3 and 7. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8 mangoes. 2 mangoes 4 times. 2 into 4 is equal to 8, or 2 into 4 is equal to 8. We can use multiplication in place of repeated addition. Fill in the boxes. Multiplying 3-digit number by 1-digit number. We know how to multiply 2-digit number by 1-digit number. In the same way, we can multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number. To multiply 342 by 7. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in column. Step 2. Multiply 2 ones by 7. 2 ones into 7 is equal to 14 ones, is equal to 10 ones plus 4 ones, is equal to 110 plus 4 ones. Write 4 in ones column and carry forward 110 to tens column. Step 3. Multiply 4 tens by 7. 4 tens into 7 is equal to 28 tens. 28 tens plus 110 carried over is equal to 29 tens, is equal to 20 tens plus 9 tens, 2 hundreds plus 9 tens. Write 9 tens in tens column and 2 in hundreds column to carry over. Step 4. Multiply 3 hundreds by 7. 3 hundreds into 7 is equal to 21 hundreds. 21 hundreds plus 2 hundreds carried over is equal to 23 hundreds, is equal to 20 hundreds plus 3 hundreds. 2000 plus 3 hundreds. Write 3 hundreds in hundreds column and 2 in thousand column. Thus, 342 into 7 is equal to 2394. Multiply. Multiplication tables from 11 to 20. 11 into 1 is equal to 11. 11 into 2 is equal to 22. 11 into 3 is equal to 33. 11 into 4 is equal to 44. 11 into 5 is equal to 55. 11 into 6 is equal to 66. 11 into 7 is equal to 77. 11 into 8 is equal to 88. 11 into 9 is equal to 99. 11 into 10 is equal to 110. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. 12 into 3 is equal to 36. 12 into 4 is equal to 48. 12 into 5 is equal to 60. 12 into 6 is equal to 72. 12 into 7 is equal to 84. 12 into 8 is equal to 96. 12 into 9 is equal to 108. 12 into 10 is equal to 120. 13 into 1 is equal to 13. 13 into 2 is equal to 26. 13 into 3 is equal to 39. 13 into 4 is equal to 52. 13 into 5 is equal to 65. 13 into 6 is equal to 78. 13 into 7 is equal to 91. 13 into 8 is equal to 104. 13 into 9 is equal to 117. 13 into 10 is equal to 130. 14 into 1 is equal to 14. 14 into 2 is equal to 28. 14 into 3 is equal to 42. 14 into 4 is equal to 56. 14 into 5 is equal to 70. 14 into 6 is equal to 84. 14 into 7 is equal to 98. 14 into 8 is equal to 112. 14 into 9 is equal to 126. 14 into 10 is equal to 140. 15 into 1 is equal to 15. 15 into 2 is equal to 30. 15 into 3 is equal to 45. 15 into 4 is equal to 60. 15 into 5 is equal to 75. 15 into 6 is equal to 90. 15 into 7 is equal to 105. 15 into 8 is equal to 120. 15 into 9 is equal to 135. 15 into 10 is equal to 150. 16 into 1 is equal to 16. 16 into 2 is equal to 32. 16 into 3 is equal to 48. 16 into 4 is equal to 64. 16 into 5 is equal to 68. 16 into 6 is equal to 96. 16 into 7 is equal to 112. 16 into 8 is equal to 128. 16 into 9 is equal to 144. 16 into 10 is equal to 160. 17 into 1 is equal to 17. 17 into 2 is equal to 34. 17 into 3 is equal to 51. 17 into 4 is equal to 68. 17 into 5 is equal to 85. 17 into 6 is equal to 102. 17 into 7 is equal to 119. 17 into 8 is equal to 136. 17 into 9 is equal to 153. 17 into 10 is equal to 170. 18 into 1 is equal to 18. 18 into 2 is equal to 36. 18 into 3 is equal to 54. 18 into 4 is equal to 72. 18 into 5 is equal to 90. 18 into 6 is equal to 108. 18 into 7 is equal to 126. 18 into 8 is equal to 144. 18 into 9 is equal to 162. 18 into 10 is equal to 180. Nineteen into 1 is equal to 19. 19 into 2 is equal to 38. 19 into 3 is equal to 57. 19 into 4 is equal to 76. 19 into 5 is equal to 95. 19 into 6 is equal to 114. 19 into 7 is equal to 133. 19 into 8 is equal to 152. 19 into 9 is equal to 171. 19 into 10 is equal to 190. 20 into 1 is equal to 20. 20 into 2 is equal to 40. 20 into 3 is equal to 60. 20 into 4 is equal to 80. 20 into 5 is equal to 100. 20 into 6 is equal to 120. 20 into 7 is equal to 140. 20 into 8 is equal to 160. 20 into 9 is equal to 180. 20 into 10 is equal to 200. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. 43 into 10 is equal to 43 tens is equal to 430. 19 into 100 is equal to 19 hundreds is equal to 1900. 8 into 1000 is equal to 8000 is equal to 8000. 57 into 10 is equal to 57 tenths is equal to 570. 54 into 100 is equal to 54 hundreds is equal to 5400. 37 into 1000 is equal to 37 thousands is equal to 37 thousands. 93 into 10 is equal to 93 tenths is equal to 930. 69 into 100 is equal to 69 hundreds is equal to 6900. 82 into 1000 is equal to 82 thousands is equal to 82 thousands. Thus, when multiplying by is equal to 10, add 1 0 to the right of the number. is equal to 100. Add 2 zeros to the right of the number is equal to 1000. Add 3 zeros to the right of the number. Let's learn some more tricks. Multiply 13 into 20 is equal to 13 into 2 into 10 is equal to 26 tenths is equal to 260. Similarly, 4 into 300 is equal to 4 into 3 into 100 is equal to 12 into 100 is equal to 1200. 17 into 9000 is equal to 17 into 9 into 1000 is equal to 153 into 1000 is equal to 1,53,000. 3 into 5000 is equal to 3 into 5 into 1000 is equal to 15 into 1000 is equal to 15,000. 1. Multiply. 2. Find the product of. 3. Multiply. 4. Multiplying two-digit number by two-digit number. When multiplying 32 by 21, we use distributive property since 21 is equal to 2 tenths plus 1 ones. 32 into 21 is equal to 32 into 2 tenths plus 1 ones is equal to 32 into 20 plus 1 is equal to 32 into 20 plus 32 into 1 is equal to 640 plus 32 is equal to 672. Hundreds, tens, ones. 32 into 1, 32 into 20, 32 into 21. Multiply. 4. Multiplying three-digit number by two-digit number. Multiply 274 by 80. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 274 into 80 is equal to 274 into 80 is equal to 274 into 1 tens plus 8 ones is equal to 274 into 10 plus 8 is equal to 274 into 10 plus 274 into 8 is equal to 2740 plus 2192 is equal to 4932. Multiply. Properties of multiplication. 1. In multiplication, if we change the order of the numbers to the multiplied, the product remains the same. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. The product remains the same. 2. If 3 or more numbers are multiplied in any order, the product remains the same. 7 into 5 into 2 is equal to 35 into 2 is equal to 70. And 7 into 5 into 2 is equal to 7 into 10 is equal to 70. The product remains the same. 3. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. 21 into 1 is equal to 21. 176 into 1 is equal to 176. 4. The product of any number and 0 is 0. 250 into 0 is equal to 0. 375 into 0 is equal to 0. 5. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. It states A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. 2 into 4 plus 5 is equal to 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 into 4 plus 2 into 5 is equal to 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. The answer is the same. Using the properties of multiplication, fill in the blanks. Word problem. When the value of one object is given and the value of more than one object is asked, we need to multiply the value of one object with the number of objects. Let us look at example. Example. There are 6 wheels in a bus. How many wheels will be there in 235 such buses? Solution. Number of wheels in one bus is equal to 6. Number of wheels in 235 buses is equal to 235 into 6 is equal to 1410. Hence, 235 buses will have 1410 wheels. Solve the given problems. A. Avantika reads 15 pages of a book in 1 hour. How many pages will she read in 23 hours? B. In a society, a block has 172 flats. How many flats will 15 such blocks have?